Hi guys and welcome back to the Technician channel. So friends, today I will talk about Montech 10 compact microATX PC cases. So friend, the Montech introduced the new case comes in black and white color option. So friend, the case comes with adaptable internal architecture with 9 PSU mounting position, 3 motherboard configuration and 7 GPU installation position, giving builders the freedom to tailor their system. Layout based on cooling prioritize, compact choice and space requirements. So friend, the support different build scenarios 10 offer 3 distinct operating mode. First, the M1 is a airflow specialized for optimized air cool performance. M2 is liquid elite for enhanced liquid cooling configuration, and the I3 is SFA master for compact focus build with maximum space efficiency. So, from the additional engineering feature including 9 slim rear fan design for optimized internal clearance and offset mounting bracket system that improve installation flexibility for cooling hardware and component, and inspired by the Montech design concept, the geometry of evolution and recognize a red dot design award 2026 winner and 10 reflect the company's 10th year journey while introducing a forward-looking approach to PC case design where adaptability, performance, intentional aesthetic comes together in a one compact platform. So friend, now talk about the pricing information. The starting price from 69.90 dollars. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.